Good morning one and all, welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session we discussed about some HR questions, right? Most important questions for in HR round. There are a lot of questions and answers are there in HR round, right? In the depends on the situation, we have to adapt to the situation, right? Understand my point? Depends on that, according to that situation we have to adopt ourselves. So here in that previous session I said about different HR questions, right? Now here again some few HR questions here. Now, how quickly do you adapt to new technology? After technical round, when you are going for software companies interview, okay, after that they ask this type of questions. How quickly do you adapt to the new technologies? Because if you are going for Java developer or something, okay, you are applying for Java technology. So there, if once you start with the Java, depends on situation. Nowadays, okay, Python is going on, right, in a boom. So that's why we have to just adapt to that and we have to just learn as soon as possible. So it will be helpful to the company. So that is the thing, how much you can adapt to, I mean, how quickly, are you a quick learner or not? You have to explain here. How quickly do you adapt to the new technologies? Okay, of course I am adaptable because according to that company standards and company's update, right? According to their updates, I need to upgrade myself or update myself and I have to learn new things for making myself improve and it would be better to the company growth. Okay. And next one, software packages are you familiar with? What are the software packages are you familiar with? Now, whenever you go for the company or go to the company for different position, which position we are looking for, first we should be very clear. If you are going for team leader position, we have to be very clear with the software packages. Otherwise, if you are going to as a fresher for a software company position like Java developer or something, okay, trainee. So there depends on the situation, depends on that employment, we have to explain about software packages. Whatever we know very clearly 100%, then only we have to put that points. Otherwise, we should not say more points. That means if you know only C language perfect, say about C only. If you say about Java, if you know very well about Java, then only say about Java. Otherwise, don't put that that type of software packages. Okay, if you know 100%, then only you have to. Otherwise, you will be getting trouble. Whenever they start interview, they will ask about, sir, I know Java very well, I know Python very well, I know C language very well. If you know this type of, if you say this all, no means 100% we have to know. Then only we have to put. Otherwise, should not. Just avoid that words. Okay. And here maximum operating systems are there and computer basics also there, and packages means softwares, because if you are saying about operating systems, Windows 10, Windows and Linux, these all means okay fine. If they ask also we can manage. If you say about any software codings and everything like .NET and SAP, if you say a lot of things, if you have 100% command over that, then only we have to say. Otherwise, my suggestion is don't say. Okay. And 1 to 10 rate yourself. Okay, if I will give you chance to rate yourself, means how much you would like to give for your performance. Okay, now this is a common question, means we should be, this is only for self-confidence. They want to check self-confidence here. So here we have to say in a smart answer, means when you are talking about this, should not give 10 out of 10 and should not be criticized also yourself. 5 below 5 also should not give. Should not say 10 out of 10 because sir there is a lot or there is a much to learn. Okay, I have to learn lot of things, sir, still. But as a team leader or I have a lot of leadership qualities because of or due to my personal or previous organizations, personal profile or personal things also, and because of my previous organization experience, as I proved that I have already learnt, I have got good achievements also, I have done good achievements. So because of that I can say I have good leadership qualities and I have to learn lot of things. So 8 out of 10 is a better thing. Understand my point here. Whenever you are rating yourself, you have to give just 8 or 8.5 or 7.5 like this you have to give. And why 8 means, sir, I need to learn lot of things in future also. So this is the thing I would like to give. This 8 means because of my previous experiences, whatever I achieved and what are the things I need to achieve in future. So 2, right? You have to give this type of way. Next, what motivates you? Then what motivates you means, here one main point is motivation means how can we get our motivation? If you have any specific goal, automatically we get motivated ourselves, right? I have one goal, I need to get a software position, software engineer, I need to be a software engineer, or I want to be a software engineer in this company by this year. Like that we have some goal in our mind, so automatically, obviously, I need to reach my goal. It automatically motivates. What are you most proud of? Whenever you talk about proud, right? Recently I have seen an interview of, or I have seen a post of Shikhar Dhawan, right? India's cricket player, right? Here he said that because they are playing for nation, so that's why I am feeling proud to be an Indian, and I am very proud to playing for India. That is the very important thing here. Here, what are you most proud of? I said about that person, that is fine, but if they ask about ourselves, means now they are asking about me, what do you proud of? So which type of answer we have to give? The proud means we have to just explain about our past experiences. It should be like a motivation, means it should be like a keep supporting to the company. So when I worked for last company, they were struggling about because of some crisis situation, they were just in crisis situation, so I made my targets very easily, and I have given lot of supports, right? I have given a lot of support and I achieved my targets within the time, and because of me they got $18,000, they got profit. Like that, if you say this type of points, okay, means last experience you worked as a sales, okay, for example, you have to just say about that point in a big way, like in a official way, means it should be like supporting to the company. So because of my work, because of my target achievement, so my company felt very happy and they got succeeded, they got success in their yearly annual targets, like that we can say. So because of that, that is my proud moment, so we can easily say that. Okay, these are the things we can easily understand. Now this is about today HR on questions, okay, and in HR session they ask about negative points and positive questions, both of them. Why? Because they don't want to make you criticize, or they don't want to make you support or anything, whether you are eligible for this position or not, whether you are a team player or not, whether you have leadership qualities or not. They want to just check yourself. So that's why they need to make you understand with a positive and negative question, whether you are professional or not, whether you have good mindset or not, personality development, maturity levels you have or not. Like that they want to check. So that's why these are the common questions they ask in HR rounds. And some more important questions are there, right? I'll make you understand in future. And here, software packages, if they ask about that, automatically, obviously we have to ask, because after technical round, or in technical round they ask this type of questions, but whenever we mention these points in resume, of course they may ask. And in next video I will make you understand about some tricky questions, right? Some different, because if you would get 10 crores money in a lottery, okay, will you quit for the job? Okay, like this type of questions I'll make you understand. Okay, if you get the lottery money 10 crores right now, okay, if I get, then shall I continue the job or shall I quit the job? Okay, means which type of mindset you have. And this is about self-confidence also. Everything it is matter in interview sessions. So should be just conscious and should be active. It should have smartness and should have spontaneity. These are the very important crucial skills for cracking the interviews. Okay, I'll make you understand with I will come up with new questions and answers in the further session. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much.